listen, look who's wearing jeans today. I like never wear jeans. I was thrifting, which I haven't did in a long time, and I found these really freaking cute jeans for like $2.50, and they're like, I can fit them, which I was surprised because I was thinking I was gonna have to take them back, because you know Goodwill, they don't let you try on stuff no more. You gotta buy it and then you can come back 14 days and exchange it if you need to. And I was like, I might have to be taking these back, but I didn't. So listen, I'm headed to Walgreens, y'all. I don't know how this is gonna go. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I do have maybe 6 or 7 deals that I might do. Deciding if I want to re-roll back in. I think every week I'm deciding if I want to re-roll it back in or start fresh. I don't like to start fresh, but yeah, I'm starting fresh for this week. And so I'm gonna head over. They just opened. I'm gonna head over and hope that they have stuff in stock. I think I saw something about the digitals not working on Sunday, and so that's kind of why I wanted to wait till today in hopes that everything would be working. And so we're gonna head to Walgreens. Did I say subscribe? I sure didn't. I need to stop doing that. I think most times I say subscribe, but sometimes I be feeling like you gotta remind people, even to like, because I know a lot of y'all be watching. A lot of y'all be watching, but y'all don't be liking. And I think that's something that you have to be reminded of. So if you new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. You can see the Pow Pow through the sweater. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So without further ado, we're gonna head into Walgreens, see what kind of awesome news that we can grab if you want to see what your girl got you to do. Keep on watching.
All right, y'all. So I feel like we always start on the Haircare aisle. I wanted to do the Crest, but I don't have the 5 off of 3 digital anymore on either account. But that would be a really awesome first deal. They're priced at $3.50. For that, you're grabbing 3 of them. Your total is gonna come to $10.50. Again, we have that 5 off of 3 digital. You'll pay $5.50 and you'll get back $5. So it makes it 50 cents for all 3. But since I don't have that one, I gotta scratch it. And we're gonna do Colgate. So this particular promo is they're on sale for $5 and they're buy 2 get back 5. So I'm gonna grab one of the toothbrushes at $5, and then I'm gonna run down here, run but not run, and grab the Colgate Total, also on sale for $5, and we also have a $2 coupon for that. So the 2 items is gonna come to $10. We'll use 2 $2 digitals. That'll bring the total down to paying $6, and we'll get back $5, making it them only 50 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. The next deal that we're gonna do is on the Tresemme. They are on sale for $6, and they're also buy 2 get back 5. So the 2 is gonna be $12. We have $5 off of 2 digital. That'll bring that total down to you paying $7, and you'll get back $5, making them only $8 a piece. So the Dove is a similar deal, but not the same deal. And so for the Dove, they are priced at $6, and for this, buy 2 get back 5. So 2 is going to be $12. For this one, we also have a 5 off of 2 digital, bringing that down to paying $7, getting back the 5, making them $1 a piece as well. So I'm gonna do the first one with the Colgate. If I get a paper booster, then I can combine the Dove and the Tresemme. If not, I'll do them both separately. So this first transaction worked out good. I'm not gonna front y'all. I was a little, I don't know, because you know I came in today with nothing, no points, no rewards, nothing to help lower my out-of-pocket, no boosters. And so yeah, so this first transaction on the Colgate, there you see it. There goes digital, subtotal was 6, got back the 5. I did get a paper booster for spend 15, get back 3. So I'm going to combine the Dove transaction and the Tresemme together. Hopefully with that one, I should pay 14 and get back, what, 10? I'll get back 13. So it'll make that one a cost of $1 for all 4 products or 25 cents each. So let's go check out. So you only see the Tresemme because I guess the 5 off of 2 digital isn't working right now. I remember a couple weeks back, it didn't work the whole week, and I was able to get it back in points when I contacted customer support, but I don't really want to do that. I don't want to pay the extra 5 out of pocket in cash and get it back in points. That's not the way it's supposed to go. Can't use Walgreens cash over at Walmart. And so let me know if that digital is working for you, but it's not working for me. But the Tresemme one, that one did work. And so that's all I got was a Tresemme. I rolled a $5 reward from the Colgate into it with the 5 off of 2 digital on the Tresemme. Subtotal was $2 and I did get back the 5. So I didn't use the booster. And I kind of low-key was debating if I should use the booster because I was just like, if I use the booster, I'm going to pay $9 out of pocket, you know, versus if I did 2 separate transactions, just broke it up and not use the booster, I would have just paid $4. But I'd end up paying $5 more with the paper booster, even though I'm getting back $3 in points. So I don't know if that was, I don't know if I'm be using those paper boosters very much or very often. And so, yeah, let's go see what's next. It's a whole nother day. It's the next morning. And I decided to, well, I'm using my dad's number, his Walgreens account. Because I was just like, look, I really want to do this deal on the Crest. And so now I'm starting off with a $5 reward that was from the Tresemme. And I still have the paper booster, spend 15, get back 3. So I'm gonna be grabbing, I'm gonna grab 3 of the Crest for $5. It's buy 3, get back 5. And so 3 of them is gonna be 15. We have the 5 off of 3 digital, we'll pay 10. And we'll get back a $5 reward. We'll also get back $2 for each on Ibotta as well. Making them all free plus $1 moneymaker. Now I'll be using this booster here, so I'll get back $3 in points. So all 3 will be free plus a $4 moneymaker. All right, so here is what the Crest transaction looks like. There goes the $5 off of 3 digital. I rolled the $5 reward. Subtotal was 5, and then I got back the $5 reward plus $6 on Ibotta. All right, so this next deal that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll everything I have from the previous transaction. This deal is buy 4 participating products, and you get back $5 reward. And so I'm gonna be grabbing the Tide liquid down here. It's priced at $5.49. These bottles are so freaking tiny. I'm also gonna grab the Gain detergent, also priced at $5.49. We do have dollar digitals for each of them. And then I'm gonna grab the Downy Unstoppable. It's also priced at $5.49. And for that we have a $2.50 digital. And then last but not least, we're gonna grab the Downy Rinse and Refresh, also priced at $5.49. And for that we have a $2.50 digital as well. So this is what this transaction is gonna look like. The total comes to $21.96. We have $7 in digitals. That'll bring the total down to $14.96, and we'll get back a $5 reward, making everything you see here only $9.96. All right, so this is what this transaction looks like. It worked out perfect. All of my digitals came off, as you can see. I did roll a $5 reward from Crest. Subtotal was $9.96. I got back the 5. And then I also got back a booster, spend 15, get back 5. So I'm gonna do one more transaction and see if I can roll that. So this next deal that we're gonna do is on the Method hand soap. It's priced at $4, and it's also buy 2, get back 2. And so we'll be grabbing 2 of those. The total is gonna come to 8. We'll use a $2 off of 2 digital. That'll bring our total down to paying 6. We'll get back 2, making it $4 for 2 of them, or $2 a piece. All right, so I'm trying to build my total to 15 to use the spend 15, get back 5 booster, and I'm gonna be doing the Febreze deal They are priced at 3 for $9. There are no digitals with this deal, no rewards back. And so we'll pay the 9 out of pocket. Now I do have offers on Ibotta. It's double attaching. So there's one for $1.50 when you buy one, and then there's $2 back when you buy two. All right, so get back a total of $3.50 on Ibotta. Bringing it down to $5.50 for all three, are only $1.83 each. All right, so this is what this transaction is going to look like. Your total is going to come to $15. We have the $2 digital on the method. It'll bring it down to $13, getting back 2 on registry rewards. We're going to use this paper booster, so we'll get back $5 in points for that, and then we'll also get back $3.50 on Ibotta. It'll bring it down to a net cost of $2.50. All right, so this worked out okay. Now the reward did not print for the method. And so he gave me $2 in points. But other than that, it worked out. There goes the febreze, there goes the method, the $2 digital came off. I wrote $5 in points. We got back $5 in points, so a total of $7 in points for this. And then I do have $3.50 on Ibotta. So I'm gonna see what I can grab to kind of roll what I have left back in. So I was gonna get the Ziploc bags because I normally would do that deal, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the trash bags instead. They are buy one at $4.99 and you get 2 for free. So 3 of them is gonna be $4.99. And then I think I'm also gonna be grabbing the Scott's tissue, which is priced at $5. And for this, we have a $1.25 coupon and we have a $1.50 digital. So to bring it down to $2.75. All right, so this is what our final transaction is going to look like. We've got the Scots, we've got the trash bags. For the Scots, we have a total of $2.25 in coupons. This is going to bring this total to $7.75. I'll roll in. I'm not sure if I can roll 7 points. Can you roll 7 points? Or can you only roll 5? Hopefully I can roll 7. If I can roll 7, I'll pay a subtotal of 75 cents. And then I'll still have the $3.50 over on Ibotta. So yeah. No, I cannot use $7 in rewards. It was 5. So I think it's, correct me if I'm wrong. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20? I don't know. Anyway, so I split it up and did the trash bags first. We rolled $5 in points. Subtotal was 38 cents. And then I did the Scott's tissue. Subtotal was $2.75. We rolled $2 in points. Subtotal was 75 cents. So it still worked out. I just had to split it because of how you can use points. And so I'll see you guys at home for the final. So here is our complete haul for today. Everything here worked out really good. All of my digitals did work. I think the only one that didn't work for me today was the Dove digital. And so that's the only deal I didn't get to do. I knew my out-of-pocket was going to be a little bit higher because I really wanted to try to do more household deals and do laundry deals and paper deals because that's stuff that we need. And so it's better for me if I can kind of work it into my deals. I think I did maybe 6 or 7 transactions for this haul. And so everything you see here retails $85.95. We had $23 in digital coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $62.95. Our sales tax was $6.89, getting back $22 in registry rewards. I did have 2 paper boosters. One was $3, one was $5. So $8 in points, $9.50 from Ibotta, brings that total to $39.50. So it nets everything at $23.45 or $1.17 each, which is not necessarily bad. Again, I really wanted to do the laundry deal and paper goods. I'm trying to really stock up my my stockpile because those are items that we really need. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. And if there's a deal that I totally missed, let me know about it in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.